What if I told you that in just 1 hour a day, you could earn $50, no degree, no fancy skills, and without even leaving your room? Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the catch. Every day you delay starting is another day you're missing out on money that could be in your bank account right now. Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and instead of scrolling through Instagram, you see $50 added to your account, money you earned while staying in your pajamas. Feels good, doesn't it? But here's the brutal truth. Most students waste their time binge-watching shows or mindlessly scrolling. Meanwhile, others are quietly stacking cash online, building skills, and paving their way to financial freedom. So, which one will you be? Stick with me till the end because I'm about to reveal 5 online jobs that can earn you $50 a day or more, plus a bonus secret at the end that will multiply your earnings even further. Let's get started. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, oh, here comes another list of boring jobs, I promise these are not your typical online gigs. In fact, the third one on this list might even surprise you. Number 1, freelance writing. Let's start with freelance writing. No, you don't need to be the next Hemingway. Businesses and bloggers are desperate for people to write articles, product descriptions, and even social media captions. Why this works? Companies pay $20 to $50 for a single article, and platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to get started. And if you're thinking, but I got a C in English, don't worry, Grammarly exists for a reason. Action tip: start by offering lower rates to build a portfolio. After 3 to 5 jobs, you can charge premium prices. Number 2, online tutoring. Are you good at math, science, or even gaming? Platforms like Chegg Tutors and TutorMe will pay you to teach others. Here's the kicker. You don't even need to be a straight A student. As long as you know more than the person you're tutoring, you're golden. Imagine this, helping someone ace their exam while earning $20 an hour. Feels pretty rewarding, right? Plus, you're sharpening your own skills in the process. But what if I told you there's an online job where you get paid to literally watch videos? Let's dive into that. Number 3, video captioning and transcription platforms like Rev.com and Scribey pay you to transcribe videos or create captions. If you can type fast, this is a goldmine. Why this works? You earn $15 to $25 an hour, and you can do it on your own schedule. Pro tip: watch a YouTube video on how to type faster while working this job. That's multitasking genius. Number 4, virtual assistant. Virtual assistants help businesses with tasks like responding to emails, scheduling appointments, or managing social media. Why this is exciting? Entrepreneurs are willing to pay $15 to $30 an hour for someone to handle their to-do list while they focus on the big stuff. Imagine earning money while helping someone grow their dream business. You're not just an assistant, you're a critical part of their success story. Number 5, selling digital products. This one takes a little effort up front, but it pays off big. Create and sell templates, ebooks, or printables on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Here's the fun part. You create something once and sell it over and over. That's passive income at its finest. Now, you've probably realized one thing. These jobs don't just help you earn money, they help you build skills for the future. But remember, I promised you a bonus? Bonus tip: freelance marketplaces and scaling. Here's how you scale. Combine these jobs. Let's say you're tutoring and writing freelance articles. Take part of your earnings to outsource small tasks to other freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork. This strategy lets you earn more without working extra hours because time is your most valuable asset. So, what's holding you back? Fear of starting? Doubt in your abilities? Or just procrastination? Because here's the truth. Every single day, thousands of students are already doing this. Will you be one of them, or will you keep waiting?